Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can get premium on the Amino app. So first of all, open the app and make sure you are already logged into your account. If you don't know how to create an Amino account, we also have a video on that as well. So to get a premium, the process is very easy. Once you are on the home screen, at the bottom of the screen you will see several options. Simply tap on the me option, which is at the end. Now here again tap on the three horizontal lines, which is at the upper right corner of the screen. Now you will see the option with membership. Tap on it. Now here these are the options you can see. So you can try the Amino membership or you can get the premium for free. Simply tap on the try it for free option, and then you need to select the plans either for 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. Select your plan and then tap on the start your free trial option here. Now the premium is on the process of purchasing. Now here just simply tap on the option, and now you need to provide your payment details for activating your membership or for upgrading your Amino to the premium thing. So here simply tap on the continue option. So as I've mentioned earlier, you now need to provide your payment details. So choose the option accordingly, and you need to provide your number, credit card number or your debit card number and everything. Just fill in the form here and then tap on the done option. So that's how you can get your premium or upgrade your Amino account to premium using the app itself. So the process was very easy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.